Yes, greetings family, which I actually want y'all to see this view. We are live on Revolutionary Camp and I'm here at One Africa. Check out the background. And we're here with our beautiful sister Imacus, and I hate to say goodbye and we have to leave.
But this is not goodbye, this is so long.
It's so long?
Because we know that at one trip a year, we're going to be doing 2 and 3 trips a year.
That's right.
Okay, and One Africa is here for all of you to come. This is home, away from home, until you make this your permanent home. Ashe?
That's perfect. Oh, brother, this is the second time here. How was it? This been...
It gets better every time, Bomani. You know, this second time, and this is my sophomore year coming back to this One Africa, the greatness of the Cape Coast area in Ghana. Enjoy myself, mostly like the rest of the group has, and we hate to go. Most people are in tears right now, and this is the highlight, as always.
It's a highlight.
One Africa, so good morning. Ghana.
And family, I definitely want you to see the view. Let's give us a nice view of the property. And Mr. Rasamama, come here. Come in. Now, this is your first time on One Africa. You met Imacus over the years. I brought her to the office.
Yes.
Now you finally meet her spot. You finally at her house. How does it feel to be here?
Boy, I'm telling you, this is the journey of a lifetime for Iman. And I give thanks to Mama Imacus for paving the way and creating a home for us, away from home in the West. We have created a home here. And thank her so much for all of the blessings that she's given us. And also, it's a wonderful place here, Brother Bomani.
I know you don't want to leave.
No, I'm at home. I'm at home. You know, we gotta give thanks to Africa for the Africans. Come on the journey of a lifetime.
Oh, look at the smiling face. Come here, Elizabeth, my sister. Come here. Come here.
All right. Okay, Sister Elizabeth.
So many smiling faces, and unfortunately we have to leave. But family, this is one of the greatest journeys ever, and it gets better. So get things, get ready. Get ready.
Money.
Yes.
There you go. To the point. Get your money ready, family, and take the journey of a lifetime and enjoy a wonderful journey like Ross Marvin,
Yes,
Miss Peppy, and all the wonderful people that have enjoyed the 10th journey of a lifetime. So, family, seeing the motherland, the saga continues.